Hello students, welcome you all in the 12th lesson, Muscular System and Digestive System in Human Beings. In first part we have learned what is a muscular system and its related details. Now we are going to learn about digestive system and its related details. So let us start with digestive systems. Conversion of food into soluble form and its absorption into blood is called digestion. Digestive system consists of alimentary canals and digestive glands. Its main parts are mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Salivary glands, liver and pancreas are the digestive glands connected to the alimentary canal. Different organs of the digestive system systematically perform the function of digestion. Let us start with teeth. The process of digestion begins with the function of the teeth in the mouth. There are four types of teeth, namely incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Each type of tooth has a specific function. Each tooth is cover, each tooth is covered by hard substance called enamel, which is made up of calcium salt. In this diagram, we can see these different types of teeth like premolar, canine, molars, incisors, etc. Next is saliva. It contains enzymes called ptyalin or salivary amylase. Ptyalin converts starch into sugar called maltose. Next is mouth. The digestion of food begins in the mouth. Food is chewed with the help of teeth into small pieces. Next is salivary glands. Saliva is produced in the salivary glands in the mouth cavity located in front of the ears, near the pharynx, and below the tongue. It is mixed with food during the process of chewing. Next part is pharynx or throat. The esophagus and trachea open into pharynx. Esophagus is a tube leading from the pharynx into the stomach. It pushes food towards the stomach. Next gland is liver. It is the largest gland in the body. It has rich supply of blood. Its main function is to store glucose. The gallbladder is situated below the liver. It stores the bile, digestive juice secreted in the liver. Next gland is pancreas. It secretes pancreatic juice that contains various enzymes which are necessary in the food digestion. Next gland is stomach. The large sac-like part of the alimentary canal is called stomach. The gastric glands of the stomach secretes gastric juice. Food that has entered in the stomach is churned. Three components of juice, namely hydrochloric acid, pepsin, and mucus, are mixed with food here and it becomes acidic. Mainly proteins are digested in the stomach. Let us understand about small intestine. It is about 6 meters long. Most of the digestion and absorption of food takes place here. Three different digestive juices are mixed with the food in the small intestine. Absorption of nutrients obtained by the digestion of food into the blood occurs in the small intestine. Now let us have a look over large intestine. It is about 1.5 meters long. Only water is absorbed in it. The small part is called the small part called the appendix is attached to the first part of the large intestine. Undigested material is stored for some time and then thrown out of the body through anus. Now let us learn some more about important glands of digestive system, their secretion and functions. First organ is mouth. Its related saliva glands are salivary glands. It secretes saliva or stylin, it can be called as. Its function is to convert the starch into maltose. Next organ next organ is stomach. There are three different glands in this case: gastric wall, liver, and pancreas. Let us go through one by one. For gastric wall, gastric juices like hydrochloric acid, pepsin, and mucus are secreted. Its function is to make the food acidic, breakdown of proteins to protect the inner lining of the stomach from the hydrochloric acid. For liver, bile is the bile is its secretion, and its function is to make food alkaline, to convert large fat particles into small ones. Emulsification of fats is the process carried out here. In case of pancreas, pancreatic juices are secreted, which are trypsin, lipase, and amylase. Its function is to convert protein into amino acids, to convert fats into fatty acids and glycerol, and to convert complex carbohydrates into simple sugars. Next organ is small intestine. It secretes intestinal juices. The function of small intestine is to convert protein into small amino acids, to convert complex carbohydrates into glucose, and to convert fats into fatty acids and glycerol. So now let us learn more about habits that put our health at risk. Some harmful addictive habits like smoking, chewing of tobacco, drinking alcohol affect our health. Effects of tobacco, alcohol, smoking on the digestive system is the next part which we are going to learn now. If we consume any tobacco product, mouth, pharynx, alimentary canal, and other organs of the digestive system cannot function properly. It causes problems like vomiting, nausea, and headache. Besides, tobacco particles stick to teeth, gums, and skin of the mouth cavity and slowly cause injuries to those parts, resulting in their dysfunction. The pharynx and intestine become inflamed, and condition further progresses into cancer, leading to death. Hence, now let us understand what would be our role in such cases. We should never get addicted to any bad habits. We should also spread awareness about the addiction. Along with the along with the spreading of awareness about these addictions, we should also celebrate few important days. Two of those are listed here. First is 31st May, which is World No Tobacco Day, and next is 7th April, World Health Day. Thank you.